San Bruno. Number 73, the son of Legend Rodriguez. Number 7, the pride of Municipality of El Nido, Ken Gutierrez. And Coach Bedoy. We're going to see number 11, also in the class in the 3 years, Christian Angelo Abdul Danao. Number 77, the game changer, Angel Dimazugil. Number 12, the master, Gerson Blase. Number 33 of Sakuragi, RJ Gabinete. Number 2, also the MVP of Palawan, Ronald Baltar ng Quezon. Head coach, we have coach on the shot. And ball is up, time is on. Serves Dominic Malabayabas, going to number 7. Ken Gutierrez, going to EJ, the son of Legend Rodriguez. With by EJ Rodriguez is a 2-pointer. Was blown as patik po sa akin ng YJ Sports World Cup job rin daw. Nakakuha ng team ng Jabo. Malabayabas, binigay doon sa loob. Number 34, Delbert Lactosa. Pagkaputusan sa kumamit ng team ng Jabo Sublimation 1B laban sa team ng Roscoe. Boarding service on the shot clock, up flexing to the back, also on the master. There's a blast, 2-pointer. Ang Municipality of Nara Facebook page. Siyempre, nagdalagin po tayo sa kanilang YouTube channel at nakakasama din po namin ang Team Koy Story. Number 34, jumper, Delbert Lactosa. At sa lahat ng sabuyan, Boy Preggers. Al jumper number 34, Gutierrez. Sa islaban sa 14, patuloy ang pamamepag ng team ng Jabo Sublimation 1B. Number 33, RJ Gabinete, switching direction, basketball count, 2-pointer, at may kasama pang ball. 6 minutes and 32 seconds to go, remaining time para sa ating opening quarter. Rivers Bay! Ang batang laki sa gatas na si Gutierrez from Filipino, dalawang putos ang nabutas, but the game changer, what a good pass, Angel Dimazugil! Ang pagbabago, ang pagpasok. First quarter. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Millimeter J. We're on the 3 minutes and 32 seconds to go. Mr. GFP going to Justin. Number 33, RJ. Gabinete, 2-pointer. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Nice move. Punto na kita sa ating pong opening quarter, 23-25. A 2-point team of Jabo Sublimation 1 Badajos. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Good shot! Last 1 minute. Justin. We have only last 6, 5, 2-pointer. That's the count of fight. Shot down the ground, shot down below, Abdul Danao, 3-pointer. Napakalayo ng kapito, hindi sa punta, drive po back. 29-34, 29-24. Paulo Ortiz, magkikis-kisan sila dito, dalawang leader ni Masupil, papapagin ang defender. Rodriguez, number 73. Wala ang buko, takbuhan, may shot down below, Abdul Danao, inside, getting closer. Janet Kapitan, they don't have. Pass sa loob. What a nice ball combination. 37-44 is the second quarter. Another fast break opportunity. Janet! And Justin will follow up for 3. Justin! 20-25 here at Municipality of Nara. 2 minutes and 30 seconds to go. We can see 37 San Bruno. Subdivision. Ating gagawin sa team ng Roscoe. Binigay sa kay Abdul. Abdul also in the pass in the few years. Nasa kay Gutierrez. Step back in back for 3. Automatic match sa middle ng team ng Jabo Sublimation 1 Badajos. 9 minutes. Christian Angelo Abdul na alas again. 1, 2. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Ronald Baltar take a shake. Quintero. Back Benjo, hindi abang Quintero ng upper foot swinging. Sila win na mipili ng mga bunga ng the rainbow. Through to the start of legend. Baltar, pick and roll. Pick and roll. Kung gusto naman ang kuling na score. Ang dalawang malaking pamak. Dentro na po sa there's the master class of pick up there to Angel. Angel na swing. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, going to regular seat number 7 with Choho. Manabayabas, 12 servers on the shot clock. Team Jabo, a 3-pointer. Ang alok na ng Kironi at Roque. The sound of legend, AJ Rodriguez for 3! Richard Angelo, Abdul Agay, Luzon for 3! Harvey Dana. 5 minutes and 21 seconds to go. 88-72 side step. Good for 2 points. Lamang po ng isang Coffee Borrero ang mga tropang Roscoe laban sa team ng Japo Sublimation 1 Badaos. Si Ambisi binigay kay AJ Rodriguez, isang aliw ang kagawin. Pico! Gabinete, natin ang tumasa. Si Julius Naliana, and the 3-pointer. Ang good na naman ang 3-pointer. Ulit pa, RJ, the Sakurani Coffee Never! Good for 2 points for AJ Rodriguez. 64-74 down to 10-point. The 4 minutes and 13 seconds remaining time at 3-pointer. Napakagandang araw ng team ng Roscoe. Sila po ang team ng red shirt. Justin! Good for 2 points. Team ng sa mga sa pagkakasa ng Sandulo. At may arak pangabal. Number 39 Serge Dominic Manabayabas warning for foul out. Shot clock down to 15 seconds. AJ Dimasuki na natrap. AJ! The game changer. Dimasuki 2-pointer. On the corner. 84-70. 14-point lead Team Roscoe. Maniobra sa loob. Pepper Laposa. Facebook account. RJ Gabinete. Marcel J. It's a long 2. Steven Palo ang tili mo ng buko. Harasin ko AJ Rodriguez. Ilalabas. Pumunta sa kitang bola. We only have last 10 seconds on the shot clock. At good na lang. Lucia Angelo Abdul na work with Justin Marwa. Justin hitting Abdul Sinamon. Abdul! At ako siya siya ko lang ito na. Ako siya siya ko lang ito na. Justin Pig. Abdul Tamawan sa Chay! Abdul Tamawan! 3-pointer! 6 minutes and 22 seconds remaining time. Pick and roll! 2-pointer! Pula, AJ Dimasuki. Sabang tataw yung bola patungo sa kanilang frontcourt. Sa Pula! Jenson Damaso Blaze. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Damaso Jenson, nothing but clear. Nakahuli ng mga tropang red shirt. Angel, the game changer. Nasa ikalimang gabi pa lang kulay ng paglalaro. Pero for the first time, panong tanaw na Mr. Cloud. Mga kaibigan, Tres Pinudo! So hindi palayo-layo na to. Samahan na po ng dupling pag-ingat sa ating pong mga maglalaro. Marami pong sa si Connor Joshua na pinit-nonas kitap ng dalawang Palawan. At jumper, Lapinit Joshua! Good for 2 points! That's a Palawan game is over. Official score 83-111. Congratulations, Team Roscoe!